Drones are seeing uses in all sorts of areas, but in Covington, now the city is using drones to check on roads and make high-definition 3D maps. Bruce Young explains the city is partnering with a drone company to take to the skies.
A road undermined by heavy rains. Of course, it has to be fixed.
It's a roadway that's used very frequently, and it's very critical for them to get this roadway repaired and up in working condition again as soon as possible.
And one way to speed things up? A drone. Launched to scan the area of the damage to let them know just what needs to be done with a 3D map.
Total time, we're looking at about only a 10 to 15 minute flight on a site like this. The data should take about 2 to 3 hours to process, and then from there we can already start annotating and sharing that information with all of the shareholders.
So within a day, the city's able to go out there, see the extent of the damage, show this throughout the major stakeholders so they can make a plan of action for that budgetary approval.
They're able to catch things that the actual eye can't, even trained inspectors, and the efficiency with which they're able to do it.
All right, we are ready to start coming back.
It's a process they've been doing for the city with a little less urgency all along Route 220.
We did map the entire Route US 220 from the beginning of the city of Covington's line up to the end from the south to north side.
A process that lets the city plan for future repairs.
But it's truly fascinating what they glean from it versus what we're able to assess even with cameras or maps.
Saving time and money. In Covington, Bruce Young, WDBJ7.